Making the move from one financial app to another can feel overwhelming, especially when you have years of data built up. But if you're looking to switch from Mint to PocketGuard, the transition is smoother than you might think, thanks to a dedicated import process. Here is your straightforward guide to migrating your financial data and getting set up for smarter budgeting with PocketGuard. First, you need to grab your historical data from Mint. Log into your Mint account and find the option to export your transaction history as a CSV file. Depending on how much data you have, you might need to do this in batches, as Mint sometimes has limits on the number of transactions per export. Save this file somewhere you can easily access it. This CSV holds the key to bringing your history with you. Next, it's time to set up your new home. Install the PocketGuard app on your device or use the web version and create your new account. Once you're in, you need to connect your financial institutions, your banks, credit cards, and any other accounts. This step links your current, live data to PocketGuard. Now for the import. Navigate to PocketGuard's features. Look for a section like Import Transactions or specifically a Mint Data Transfer tool. PocketGuard has built a dedicated feature for this migration. You will be prompted to upload the Mint CSV file you saved earlier. Once uploaded, the app will walk you through a crucial mapping process. You'll need to match your old Mint accounts to your new PocketGuard accounts. For example, your Mint checking needs to be paired with your PocketGuard checking. The app will also ask you to match your Mint transaction categories to PocketGuard's categories. PocketGuard has great default categories, but since Mint allowed custom ones, take a moment to review and pair them up. If PocketGuard doesn't have a perfect match, you can either select the closest one or create a new custom category within PocketGuard if you're a Plus user. Once everything is matched and you hit import, PocketGuard works its magic, integrating your historical transactions into your timeline. After the import is complete, spend a few minutes reviewing your data. Check a few random transactions to make sure the amounts, dates, and categories look right. This is the time to make any final tweaks to get your budget running perfectly. With your historical data safely transferred, you can now dive into PocketGuard's unique features, like the leftover amount, which shows you exactly how much money is available for spending after bills, goals, and necessities are covered. Switching apps is a chore, but PocketGuard has streamlined this move for Mint users. A few simple steps, and you'll have your financial history and a fresh, smart way to budget. Happy budgeting!